Good morning friends and welcome back to another vlog. My eye's twitching and it won't stop. It is Tuesday today and it is 10 past 10 and I start work at 10:30. But just before this vlog started and my day started, I just wanted to quickly have a chat with you. I feel like it's been a while since I've actually sat down and like told you what I've been thinking, what's been going on. I feel like it's just I'm doing this, now I'm doing this, now I'm doing this, and it's not like that personal anymore. So if you don't care about a mini life update, you can skip to the time on the screen now. But for those of you that do care, hi, thanks for listening. This has always been my struggle, but I've always been able to find the motivation at the end of it. Basically, I work pretty much full time. I'm a manager at a cafe and I'm working minimum 30 hours a week. And soon that is going to probably be 38 hours a week. There's going to be a change in management. I'm going to be bumped up and then someone's coming in to replace me. And that at work has been very, very stressful. Very stressful. It's just taken a lot more out of me while I'm at work, if that makes sense. And then I come home and I'm getting all of these business emails from brands wanting to work with me and invite me to parties and movie early screenings and all these crazy stuff that I am so blessed to be invited to and be working with these brands. But I'm just finding it hard to balance the two. I literally feel like I am Hannah Montana. I go to work and work at a cafe 5 days a week and I am Miley Cyrus, and then I come home and I'm working with Princess Polly and going to early movie screenings and I'm being Hannah Montana. I'm just finding it really, really hard to find the balance. Oh, I just got a reminder to pray for Rachel for her exam. I'm having to like roster off work so that I can go to events, but work is my main priority and sometimes I'm not able to get work off and so I have to say no. When I'm not at work, all I want to do is just rest and chill, but those are the days that I should be vlogging to give you guys content. And it's not even that I should be vlogging, like I want to vlog and I want to bring you guys along for my life. I'm just finding it a bit difficult at the moment to balance the two. It's always been my struggle. I've always worked a lot and tried to juggle YouTube on the side, but I feel like as YouTube progresses more and more, it's getting harder and harder, along with my work hours being increased and my work stress being increased. That being said, there's so many exciting things coming up in the next month or so, literally so many, and I'm so excited for all of them. But at the same time, like I have to go to work, I have to deal with all the stress that is at work at the moment. So yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. That's why I haven't really been vlogging very consistently. I get messages every day being like, when are you uploading next? And I literally don't know. I have a vlog almost finished edited at home, so I think tonight I'm gonna stay up a bit late and finish that up so I can post it tomorrow. I just wanted to explain myself and why I haven't been posting very much. You guys obviously subscribe to my channel for content and I haven't been providing that content, so I just wanted to apologize. I'm really trying to get back into it. That's where I'm at the moment. So anyway, it is Tuesday today. I have work from 10:30 until 6 and then straight after work I have dinner with my family. I think we're having tacos, which is so great. And then after that I'm gonna go home. Depending on how late I get home, I'm gonna try and edit, but I'm gonna head into work and I will chat to you after. We finished up at family dinner and Bryce needed to go to Kmart, and so we were all like, yes, let's go to Kmart. And I'm in the activewear section behind me and I'm thinking of doing a video of wearing Kmart activewear for a week and like testing it out, letting you know what's good and what's not, what's got proof, what's not. If that's a video you'd be interested in, comment down below. I feel like it'd be so fun because there are a few like sports bras and tights that I saw that I'm like, oh, these actually look kind of good. So let me know. Bryce is buying some activewear. I'm trying not to do that and I'm just going to buy Ugg boots because that's all I need right now. We're coming to the men's section to have a look at the crew necks. You should get it.
Problem is, you look at that, I instantly think Kmart.
Kmart?
I instantly think
I like
cheap rubbish.
The words down the sleeve and that. That's cool.
Like
if you didn't know, all of the crew necks that I own are from Kmart and I just crop them to make them look girly.
More girls in this than I have guys, so I no longer want to buy one. Shout out Brie McCullough.
Oh, I love it. They don't have my size. I'll come back. You done? Look how cute these Ugg boots are. Are you joking? They're also very fluffy. Appreciate that. All the way into they come in teddy bear or penguins. I came here for Ugg boots, but I need ones that I can like actually wear in public and I can't wear these. These look great to be honest, but again, can't wear them in public. Oh wow, this is really just a they have new versions, Alex. I have the bunny version. These, they don't look very good. Say what you've been doing all night.
Studying with
my life.
Literally, I've been sitting on your bed for about 20 minutes waiting for you to come home. We're just here waiting for Georgia to open her package. She got a package from Supre. Have you told them about it? Supre messaged Georgia and we're like, hey, we'd love to send you some stuff and we can post some Instagrams. And she was like, oh heck yeah. And so look, it's huge. We're very excited. She's gonna give us a haul and you guys a haul as well, but like mostly us. Oh, you can see us. Hey, what's up?
This is huge. I'm
so excited for
Can we
you.
just take this moment in? I've been shopping at Surprise since I was literally 10. Begging my mum to let me go in and buy purple short shorts.
Can we just say that your parents refuse to let you shop in there too?
Let me. No. Now look at me. Can't stop me.
Who else had parents that didn't let them shop in Surprise before they like kind of revamped themselves? They had the like ombre shorts from like purple to green and stuff.
I'm like kind of stressed though because everything's a surprise. So like I'm not like expecting.
Oh
Wait,
yeah,
then you didn't pick it?
No, she didn't pick it. Oh, it's wrapped so cute. Oh, we
I
love
like
We love. That's cute.
That's really cute. I love that a lot.
Rachel, are you ready for this?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh my goodness.
It
Oh,
looks like the Michelin Man.
dude, I could wear my red one. Oh, wow.
That is cool.
That's very cool.
You wanted one of those. So cute.
Surprise has stepped up their game.
They really
It's
have. Wow, this is so cute.
That is so cute. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Focus.
Kind of cute.
Oh, that's cute. I like the color of that a lot.
Grandma vibes.
Grandma vibes.
Oh, that's really nice. I love the color.
Jelly beans.
Oh, yeah.
Sisters! L-Y-L-A-S.
That's so cool.
Sick. Wow.
How do you feel about that?
Blown away.
Happy with
Love
everything?
that. Happy with everything.
Shout out to Surprise. Really appreciate the package. We had a lot of fun being entertained by it. And I'm sure Georgia will have a lot of fun
Wearing it.
those things.
Wow.
Thanks for listening to my TED Talk. Hello friends, it is Wednesday and I just finished up work for the day. I worked my usual 10:30 to 6 shift, but this was my last close of the week, which makes me so incredibly happy. Tomorrow I'm working a 5-hour shift, which is very, very rare and probably won't happen like ever again for me. I was meant to have the day off, but I'm just covering a barista shift, which is great. The owner of my store actually came in today and was like, did you close last night? And I was like, yeah, why? And he was like, oh, I came in last night just to like have a look. And it was really, really good. I'm very, very impressed. And I was like, Pikachu. Thursday today and I finished work for the day. It is 1:30, which is just so good. It's so good to be home for work at 1:30 p.m. That's incredible. Anyway, I made some spring rolls for lunch because I am a health queen. But after I eat my lunch, I'm gonna get changed in hedges, raffers, and ideally I want Rachel to come. She finishes work soon. Very excited. This is my outfit to go get coffee. My crew neck is from Cotton On. I just have some Lorna Jane workout tights on and my Kmart Ugg boots. Rachel's computer is dead, so she can't come to raffers with me, and I just want to hang out with her. So we're gonna go get coffee and then we're gonna sit at the dining room table and edit together. So I've been editing and just doing a bunch of YouTube work for the past couple of hours, meaning the whole entire afternoon. But my parents were just like, hey, Rachel! Hey, do you want to come to dinner? And I was like, yeah. So I just got changed and I thought I'd show you my outfit. This cutie little white top is from Surprise and I just have a Surprise little singlet underneath. My jeans are Cotton On and then I just have my white low top connies on. I'm so excited to go to buffet, yes! Happy Friday. I just finished work for the day and I'm so happy about it. I actually just finished work for the week. I have the weekend off, which is kind of like a usual occurrence for me, but I'm still always so excited about it. So it is 3 o'clock. I worked my favorite shift today and I just had a really good day. I'm very excited to go home. All of my housemates have been in like exam block mode this week, but they've been at home studying for their exams, which means they get to spend more time with me, which I just love so much because I love my housemates with my whole heart. I've been getting to see Rachel like every day and getting to like actually hang out with her, and it's so great. So this afternoon, Rachel and I are going to go on a walk. Skay's going to come if she's awake. We were organising it yesterday and Rachel and I are like, oh yeah, let's go for a walk. And we're like, Skay, do you want to come? And she's like, yeah. And Rachel's like, do you want us to wake you up if you're having a nap? She's like, no. So I'll go home and see if Skay's having a nap. If not, she'll come with us. Rachel and I went for a walk last week and we really enjoyed it. I feel like walking is so boring if you're by yourself, but if you're with someone else, it's way better. So I'm going to go for a walk. And then when we finish our walk and come home, Rachel and I are going to sit down and plan out the next month, because as I spoke to you
guys about on Tuesday. I just have so much going on in my mind right now because there's so many events coming up and I just can't keep track and I need to organize them, and I'm not a planner at all. Like, I don't spend my time sitting down and planning out my week, which I definitely should. It's not me, it's not part of my life. But Rachel is gonna sit down with me and we're gonna organize it all, and I'm gonna try balance my two lives a bit better. That sounds stupid, but like, if you're a YouTuber and also working at a different job, you completely understand what I mean, which like probably like 3 of you who are like, yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna drive home and hang out with my besties. This lighting sucks so much, but it is 6 AM. I am at Seraphi's. It is still dark outside and it is freezing cold, but I'm gonna go in and edit because I have so much to edit today. Later on today, I have a hair appointment. I might have a soccer game. The rest of my day is pretty up in the air, but right now I'm gonna go into Seraphi's and edit. I just finished up at Seraphi's. It is now 20 past 9 AM. The sun is up. There are so many people up and about now. It was so nice before it hit like 8 AM and then everyone was awake and obviously wanting coffee. So I got very busy in Seraphi's, but I had a very productive session. I completely edited a vlog and made the thumbnail for it. So now I just need to go home to my internet and upload it and schedule it for tonight. I'm gonna go home and eat breakfast and just chill for a little bit. And then I'm gonna head off to my hair appointment. Anyway, I'm gonna drive home. Good morning, it is Sunday and it is currently 12:30. Rachel and I are just driving around, gonna get some photos. I need to take 2 photos for Supray. Which is so crazy. I showed you guys on Tuesday, I think, all the things I got. So I've got to take 2 photos today to post them later on in the week, and I'm really excited. The first photo is going to be in this oversized chunky cardigan, which I love so much and is so comfy. So I've just found a white brick wall that I think might look cute, hopefully, and we'll take some pics. Oh, I haven't even shown them my hair. This is my fresh hair.
Kimberly Taylor, I'll put on her story.
Anyway, we're gonna take some photos, so enjoy the time lapse. When you just want to pick with your bestie, but you're the photographer, so you just gotta improvise. I don't even know what that thing is like, on my car, but
we'll have to crop it, but like that's fine.
spent a bit of the afternoon at my grandma's house. Then I came home and edited for a little bit longer, but now I am dressed and I'm about to head off to church. But I thought I would show you my outfit before I go. It's a pretty plain, boring outfit. My little white top is from Shopo. My black denim jacket is from Princess Polly. My black belt is from Dottie. My mum jeans are from Cotton On. And then I just have my white low top Converse on. Let's go praise Jesus.
Hello, I am Rachel on the microphone. Hello, this is Rachel in your ear. I am on the microphone in your ear.
We're currently at All You Can Eat Pizza and I haven't shown you any pizza because I've eaten it all.
Please, can you cut out what are you doing in your brunch?
And this is my plate full of crust. So we're all doing really well. We're actually really struggling. We ate way too much. But that's what you have to do at All You Can Eat. You can't leave having room in your tank. We just got back from Pizza Hut and I am literally so full. My whole body is in pain from the amount of food that I just ate. But that brings us to the end of this week in my life vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will catch you all next week for a very exciting vlog. See you then.